Dear NET aspirants, greetings of the day. Welcome to the new video of previous questions paper discussion. Let us going through the questions and its answers asked by UGC for the NET examination in the year 2007 December section. Let us learn and discuss. First question. Verbal guidance is least effective in the learning of option A aptitude, option B skills, option C attitude, and the answer is option B skills. Verbal guidance is least effective in the learning of skills. Next question. Which is the most important aspect of the teacher's role in learning? Our options are option A, the development of insight into what constitutes an adequate performance. Option B, the development of insight into what constitute the pitfalls and dangers to be avoided. Option C, the provision of encouragement and moral support. And option D, the provision of continuous diagnostic and remedial help. Our answer is option A. The most important aspect of teachers' role in learning is the development of insight into what constitutes an adequate performance. Next question. The most appropriate purpose of learning is? Our options are option A, personal development, personal adjustment. Option B, modification of behavior. Option C, social and political awareness. And option D, preparing oneself for employment. The answer is option B, modification of behavior. Modification of behavior is the most appropriate purpose of learning. Next question. The students who keep on asking questions in the class should be? Option A, encouraged to find answer independently. Option B, advised to meet the teacher after the class. Option C, encouraged to continue questioning. Option D, advised do not disturb during the lecture. Answer is option A, encouraged to find answer independently. Next question. Maximum participation of students is possible in teaching through option A, discussion method, option B, lecture method, option C, audio visual aids, and option D, textbook method. The answer is option A, discussion method. Through discussion method, we can ensure the maximum participation of students. Next question. Generalized conclusion on the basis of a sample is technically known as? Option A, data analysis and interpretation. Option B, parameter inference. Option C, statistical inference. And option D, all of the above. The answer is option A, data analysis and interpretation. Next question. The experimental study is based on? Option A, the manipulation of variables. Option B, conceptual parameters. Option C, replication of research. Option D, survey of literature. The answer is option A, manipulation of variables. An experimental study is based on the manipulation of variables. Next question. The main characteristics of scientific research is? Option A, empirical. Option B, theoretical. Option C, experimental. And option D, all of the above. Our answer is option D. All the above characteristics are the main characteristics of scientific research. Next question. Authenticity of research finding is its option A, originality, option B, validity, option C, objectivity, and option D, all of the above. Our answer is option C, objectivity. Authenticity of research finding is its objectivity. Next question. Which technique is generally followed when the population is finite? Option A, area sampling technique. Option B, purposive sampling technique. Option C, systematic sampling technique. And option D, none of the above. Our answer is option C, systematic sampling technique. When population is finite, we can use systematic sampling technique. Next question. DTH service was started in the year option A 2000, option B 2002, option C 2004 and 2006. The answer is 2004. DTH service was started in the year 2004. Next question. National Press Day is celebrated on option A 16th November, option B 19th November, option C 21st November and option D 30th November. Our answer is option A 60th November is celebrated as National Press Day. Next question. Use of radio for higher education is based on the presumption of option A, enriching curriculum based instruction, option B, replacing teacher in the long run, option C, everybody having access to a radio set, option D, other means of instruction getting outdated. Our answer is option C, everybody having access to a radio set. Then only we can ensure higher education through the use of radio. Next question. The function of measurement include option A, prognosis, option B, diagnosis, option C, prediction and option D, all of the above. Our answer is option D, all of the above. All of the above are the functions of measurement. Next question. Logical argument are based on option A, scientific reasoning, option B, customary reasoning, option C, mathematical reasoning and option D, syllogistic reasoning. Our answer is option D, syllogistic reasoning. Logical arguments are based on syllogical reasoning. Next question. Choose the odd word. Option A, none, option B, night, option C, monk and option D, priest. Our answer is option B, night. Next question. Probability sampling implies option A, stratified random sampling, option B, systematic random sampling, option C, simple random sampling and option D, all of the above. Our answer is all of the above. Stratified random sampling, systematic random sampling and simple random sampling are included in the group of probability sampling. Next question. CD-ROM stand for option A, computer disk read-only memory, option B, compact disk read-over memory, option C, compact disk read-only memory and option D, computer disk read-only memory. Our answer is option C, compact disk read-only memory. Next question. The brain of a computer which keeps peripherals under its control is called option A, common power unit, option B, Common Processing Unit, option C, Central Power Unit, and option D, Central Processing Unit. Our answer is option D, Central Processing Unit. The Central Processing Unit is the brain of a computer which keeps peripherals under its control. Next question. Data can be saved on backing storage medium known as option A, compact disk recordable, option B, computer disk rewritable, option C, compact disk rewritable, and option D, computer data rewritable. Our answer is option C, compact disk rewritable. Next question. RAM means option A, random access memory, option B, rigid access memory, option C, rapid access memory, option D, revolving access memory. You all know the answer. It is a simple question. RAM means random access memory. Next question. www represent. It is also an easy question. Moving on to the options. Option A, who, what and where. Option B, weird web. Option C, World Wide Web. Option D, World Wide Web. No doubt, answer is option D, World Wide Web. Next question. Deforestation during the recent decade has led to option A, soil erosion, option B, landslide, option C, loss of biodiversity, and option D, all of the above. Our answer is option D, all of the above. Deforestation leads to soil erosion, landslides, and loss of biodiversity. Next question. Which one of the following natural hazard is responsible for causing highest human disaster? Option A, earthquakes, option B, snowstorms, option C, volcanic eruption, and option D, tsunami. Our answer is option D, tsunami. Next question. Which one of the following is appropriate for natural hazard mitigation? Option A, international aid, option B, timely warning system, option C, rehabilitation, and option D, community participation. Our answer is option B, timely warning system is an appropriate method of mitigating natural hazard. Next question. Slums in metro city are the result of option A, rural to urban mitigation, option B, poverty of the city's escape, option C, lack of urban infrastructure, and option D, urban governance. Our answer is option A, rural to urban mitigation. Next question. The Great Indian Bustard Bird is found in option A, Thar Desert of India, option B, coastal region of India, option C, temperature forest in the Himalaya, and option D, Tahari zones of Himalayan foot. Our answer is Thar Desert of India. The bustard bird is found in Thar Desert of India. Next question. The first Indian satellite for serving the educational sector is known as option A, SatDev, option B, InSat-P, option C, EduSat, and option D, InSat-C. The answer is EduSat, option C. EduSat is the first Indian satellite for serving educational sector of India. Next question. Exclusive educational channel of IGNOU is known as option A, Gyan Darshan, option B, Jnanvani, option C, Doordarshan, and option D, Prasar Bharati. Our answer is option A, Gyan Darshan. Gyan Darshan is the exclusive educational channel of IGNOU. The headquarters of Mahatma Gandhi Antarashtriya Hindi Vishwavidyalaya is situated in option A, Sevagram, option B, New Delhi, option C, Wardha, and option D, Ahmedabad. It is an easy question. The headquarter of Mahatma Gandhi. Next question. The aim of vocationalization of education is option A. Preparing students for a vacation along with knowledge. Option B. Converting liberal education into vocational education. Option C. Giving more importance to vocational than general education. And option D. Making liberal education job oriented. Your answer is option D. Making liberal education job oriented is the aim of vocationalization of education. Okay, dear students, let us conclude this session of questions and answers of paper 1 asked by UGC on 2007 December section. Dear all, study well. Let us crack UGC net.